All right, so here we go. New style Chevy. Pretty darn simple right here. That's that. There's a tab up in here. Whole thing comes out. In the back, it's kind of hard to see. There's a spade sticking out on the right-hand side in the center. That's going to be your hop. So what we've done here is I've decked the box, right? Decking the box means when you take all your cable and kind of wrap it around and put it underneath, zip tight. You're building a deck for the device. If you look inside of here, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a shelf in there. There's a shelf inside. What'll happen is this box will go inside of here. And it'll rest on the part of the deck will rest on the shelf, and I'm zip tying this end to this post over here. You can see the zip tie going through, so it's going to keep the box suspended with the label up, and it won't be bouncing around. It's going to be sitting on the shelf, and it's going to be tight. So that's how you do the Chevy, the new Chevys like 2020 and up.